Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be back with another DIY hair growth treatment, and this one is an Indian hair growth treatment. It is using cloves and ginger to maximize hair growth potential. These ingredients are absolutely amazing in combination with each other. I'm going to share with you the benefits of it and how to make the hair mask. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So the first ingredient you're going to need are crushed cloves. So cloves are so amazing if you want to grow your hair or get thicker hair. Cloves increases your hair length, strengthens it, as well as accelerates your hair follicles. It cleanses and soothes the scalp, curbs hair loss and balding, prevents premature graying, and treats dandruff. So cloves have extremely high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and the strength of your hair. The next ingredient you're going to need is onion powder, and I'm a huge fan of onion powder. So onion powder helps the formation of collagen tissues in the scalp, increases blood circulation in the hair follicles, and stimulates new hair growth. It's also anti-inflammatory, so it prevents dandruff and scalp infections, and that's a huge problem for a lot of people who suffer from hair loss and balding. The next ingredient is ginger. Now, ginger is a huge one because it helps people with thinning hair. The fatty acids in ginger are beneficial in treating thin hair. It also increases scalp circulation and blood flow to the scalp, in turn stimulating the hair follicles and encouraging growth. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by peeling the ginger, cutting it up, and cleaning it. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend the ginger. So this is how the ginger looks when it is all blended. Now I'm going to go ahead and take 3 tablespoons of our onion powder and mix that into the ginger mix. Now moving on to our cloves, you want to go ahead and blend up the cloves as much as you can. And once it's all mixed up, I can go ahead and mix them together with the onion powder and the ginger. Now I'm going to be mixing one of my favorite oils, of course, the original Miriam Hampton hair growth oil. And we are currently back in stock. It's been a while, but we are back in stock. And I'm so excited because most of our products are restocked on MiriamHampton.com. So head over there and get all of your hair growth needs. And of course, for my YouTube fam, I always give you guys a 20% off coupon code for watching my videos. For the first 24 hours, use the code YouTubeFam for 20% off. So I like to put 3 full drops of this into our hair growth mixture. Mix all of that together. Now I leave it like this. Now some people like to actually cook this and get the excess oil out of that way, but I like to do it like this and I'll just apply this mixture to my scalp because it's the most potent to me. And I think it works the best for me personally. But of course, if you guys like to do it the other way, just let me know down below in the comment section which way do you like best. So when doing this treatment, you really want to focus on your scalp because that's where your hair grows. It grows from your scalp. So make sure that you are parting your hair. You are getting this mixture directly to your scalp and massaging it into your scalp. Now, I absolutely love how this feels on the scalp. It's so refreshing and I can feel the tingling sensation. It just feels so good. So like I said before, make sure you're getting it directly on your scalp, applying it, massaging it into your scalp, and make sure you're parting your hair so you can get every inch of your roots. Now I do apply this treatment to the length of my hair as well, but mainly just focusing it on the roots. Now once I put this on my hair, I'm going to go ahead and put on a plastic cap and leave this on my hair for like 2 hours minimum. So after the 2 hours are up, I will thoroughly wash this out of my hair with shampoo. And then this is how my hair looks after the treatment. Super healthy. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media and Miriam J. Hampton at MH Hair Care, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.